This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a broom in DTI. Start by gathering your materials for crafting a DTI broom. You'll need a sturdy stick, a good-sized bundle of straw, and some reliable twine. The stick should be about 3 feet long, offering a comfortable grip. For the brush head, aim for a generous amount of straw to ensure effective sweeping. Finally, have about 2 feet of strong twine ready to bind everything together securely. Next, prepare your components carefully. Begin by cleaning your stick, ensuring it's smooth and comfortable to hold. Then, take your straw bundle and trim it to an even length, creating a consistent brush. Now, arrange the straw around one end of the stick, forming a neat, cylindrical shape. Make sure the straw extends about 12 inches beyond the stick's end, ready for binding. Now, it's time to bind the broom head. Take your twine and begin wrapping it tightly around the straw and stick, starting about 1 inch from the end. Create a secure, spiral wrap, moving downwards for approximately 6 inches. This ensures a firm attachment. Finish by tying a strong, double knot to prevent any unraveling. A well-bound broom will last much longer. For the finishing touches, trim any uneven straw ends to give your broom a neat and professional look. Then, test its durability by gently sweeping a small area to ensure everything is secure. To prolong its lifespan, always store your new DTI broom in a dry place, away from moisture. Now, you can enjoy your handmade broom for all your efficient and satisfying sweeping tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.